Um, at the beginning of starting the 33 days, I felt like I was just reading it and I was just going along with it. And then it took me a while for me to realize what it was truly about. Because I felt like I was always asking God, like, to help me find a way to get closer to Him and help me to find a way that I can strengthen my relationship with Him. And then one day I was reading the book in front of the Blessed Sacrament, meaning the tabernacle, and then I felt like God was putting it in my heart and what I was reading, and it was like, this is a way for me to get closer to God, for me to just surrender myself to Mary and allow her to take me closer to Jesus. So that's what I learned, that everything is going to be okay, for me not to be scared, and to allow myself to be open to Mary taking my hand